Hi friend, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make meshing component in SolidWorks 2025 it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now I am going to select plane. I am going to select right plane and select sketch. Now I am going to select line tools and draw the from origin vertical line draw and horizontal and vertical and angle and make arc. Now here angle line and horizontal line. Now go to smart dimension. Now give the value this line dimension 180. Okay. Now go to this line dimension 25 and this line dimension 90. Okay. Now this point and this line dimension 70. Okay. Now go to this arc below 30. Okay. Now go to this point, move this point. Okay. Now this line control this arc tangent. Okay. Now this point control this point vertical. Okay. Now go to this point and this line below 45. Okay. Now go to circle. Now draw from here. Now give the value smart dimension value this circle value 30. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude boss. Now go to here blind from mid plane select. Now give the value 85. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to top plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle, corner rectangle, this line draw, select. Now go to smart dimension, this line and this line distance 15 and this line and this line distance 15. Okay. Now go to here, select headed. This line and this line distance 25. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select through all. Okay. Now go to select shaded with this. Now go to this face and this is case. Now draw the rectangle, corner rectangle draw here, select. Now go to smart dimension, this line dimension 45 and this line dimension 10. Now this line and this line distance between 20. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude boss. Now go to here, select through all, change the direction. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle to origin state. Now give the value smart dimension and give the value dia 50. Okay. Now this point and this line between dimension 42. Okay. Now select. Now go to this point, circle point and origin point, vertical. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now give the value here, select blind and value 10. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now again draw here circle. Circle, draw the circle point. Now give the circle below 20. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now I am going to here select through all. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now I am going to here select color, ash color. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box. You can join our online class and offline class anywhere in the world. You can join our offline class base, small base. You can follow our YouTube channel and Facebook page. Thank you all.